In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Temu Credit. If you have Temu Credit in your account and you want to make sure you're using it correctly at checkout, this process is very simple. I'll walk you through how to check your balance, shop for items, apply your credit, and complete your payment smoothly. To get started, open the Temu app on your phone or go to the Temu website in your browser. Once you're there, sign into your account so you can access your personal balance and shopping details. After logging in, go to the Use section if you're using the app, or Orders and Account if you're on the website. From there, tap or click Credit Balance. This is where you can view how much Temu Credit you currently have available. It's a good idea to check this first so you know how much can be used toward your order before you start shopping. Once you've confirmed your balance, begin browsing Temu for the products you want to buy. Add your selected items to your cart as you normally would. Take your time here and make sure the items, quantities, and any variations like size or color are correct before moving on. When you're ready to place the order, tap or click Checkout. At the checkout page, Temu Credit is typically applied automatically to eligible orders. That means you usually won't need to manually turn it on. You should see the credit reflected in your order summary, which helps you understand how much of the total is being covered. If you don't want to use all of your available credit, you can adjust the amount before completing your purchase. This can be helpful if you'd rather save some credit for another order. After that, all that's left is to complete your payment. If your Temu Credit covers the full cost of the order, you won't need to add another payment method for that purchase. If your credit only covers part of the total, you'll just pay the remaining balance using your preferred payment method such as a credit card, debit card, or PayPal. Before you finalize the order, it's always smart to quickly review the payment breakdown so you can confirm exactly how much credit is being used and whether there's any amount left to pay. Once everything looks right, complete the purchase. That's it. Using Temu Credit is a straightforward way to reduce your order total. And once you know where to check your balance and how it applies at checkout, the whole process becomes much easier.